Hi, boys and girls. You are so lucky because you're going to get me twice today. This is Mrs. Stewart. So I'm going to be doing your daily 5 stations and your math station today. Lucky you. Okay, let's get started on your spelling words. The first word we're going to write is gift. Can you pop up those hands for me? G-I-F-T. Go ahead and write it. G-I-F-T. And we're going to write this 3 times. Gift and gift. Good. Okay, our next word is going to be a little bit longer. This word is slept. Ready? Pop up the sounds. S-O-E-P-T. Slept. Like your mom might ask you if you slept good last night. Slept. Now remember, I know I talk a lot faster than Mrs. Nemitz does. So if you need to push pause, that's okay. So we write slept 3 times. The next word is past. Pop it up. Past. Past. What letters did you hear? P-A-S-T. Past. Go ahead and write past 3 times. Very good. Okay. Number 4. This word is flat. Pop it up. F-O-A-T. Flat. What letters did you hear? F-L-A-T. Flat. And write that 3 times, the word flat. Like you might hear your teacher say, remember to sit flat on the carpet. Good. Your next word, are you ready? Is held. Pop it up. Old. Held. 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 And remember, you can always push pause if Mrs. Stewart is going too fast. All right, you have the first 5 done. You're doing so good. Now let's do this word. Twist. Pop up the sounds. T-w-ist. Twist. T-w-ist. Twist. Very good. Twist. All right. Number 7. Fact. What sounds do you hear in the word fact? Act. Fact. Act. Fact. Very nice. Fact. Good. Number 8, club. K-L-U-B. Club. Very good, boys and girls. Only 2 more. Let's do best. B-S-T. Best. B-S-T. Best. And your last word is going to be stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Very good, boys and girls. All right. Let's turn your paper over to the back side. So you're going to have some words on here, and you may not know how to read all of the words, but it's okay because we're sorting the words by their beginning blend. So I want you to take a crayon and color all of the words that have a BL one color. So I look here, not the first one, but this one is a BL. And this one's a BL. So we look through and we find all of the words that have a BL at the beginning, and we color them one color. Now I'm going to choose another color, and I'm going to color those ones with the FL the next color. And I always color that one so I don't forget. So I'm looking for FL words. There's one. And do you see any more in that column? Yeah, there's another one right there. Good. How many do you see on the next column? There's one. Good. And the next column, there's two more. Very nice. And I'm going to choose one more color. And these are going to be the words that have GL. So these are all of the GL blend words, like this. Now, I just have to match the colors and write the words underneath. So I look at the first one. This has an F and an L, and that's blue. So I just copy all the letters right there. So the next one has a B and an L, so it goes here. And then the next one is a green, and it goes there. So go ahead and finish this page and then do it what it is that your teacher would have you do next. Well done, boys and girls.